understanding others starts with understanding yourself. These profound words uttered by Lao Tzu, the ancient Chinese philosopher, echo through the ages, reverberating their truth in our contemporary world. In the grand tapestry of life, one thread stands out as the most important: the thread of self-understanding. It's the ability to introspect, to delve deep into one's own psyche, and to unravel the intricate layers of one's own identity. It is about exploring the nuances of one's thoughts, emotions, desires, and motivations. Self-understanding is akin to embarking on a journey within oneself. It's about navigating the labyrinth of one's mind, understanding one's strengths and weaknesses, and acknowledging one's unique perspective on the world. It is a voyage of self-discovery, a path of self-awareness, and a process of self-acceptance. The benefits of self-understanding are manifold. It unravels the mystery of who we truly are. It empowers us to make informed decisions, to set realistic goals, and to cultivate meaningful relationships. It fosters emotional intelligence, boosts self-esteem, and enhances our overall well-being. It is a key to unlock the door to personal growth and self-improvement. Self-understanding also equips us with the ability to empathize with others. By understanding ourselves, we become more attuned to the emotions, thoughts, and behaviors of others. This, in turn, fosters mutual respect, improves communication, and strengthens social bonds. In essence, self-understanding is not just about knowing oneself, it's about evolving as a human being. It's about embracing change, overcoming obstacles, and cultivating resilience. It's about acknowledging one's flaws, celebrating one's achievements, and embracing one's individuality. To summarize, self-understanding is the cornerstone of personal growth, the foundation of emotional intelligence, and the catalyst for social harmony. It is the key to unlocking one's potential, the compass that steers one's life journey, and the beacon that illuminates one's path towards self-improvement. In the words of Lao Tzu, understanding others starts with understanding yourself. So embark on the journey of self-understanding, unravel the mystery of your own self, and unlock the door to personal growth and self-improvement. Remember, the voyage to understanding others begins with understanding yourself. Therefore, spend time with yourself, delve deep into your psyche, and explore the labyrinth of your mind. Understand your emotions, acknowledge your desires, and accept your unique perspective on the world. Unravel the thread of self-understanding and weave it into the tapestry of your life. In conclusion, self-understanding is not just a concept, it's a way of life. It's a journey of self-discovery, a path of self-awareness, and a process of self-acceptance. So, embrace the voyage of self-understanding, for it is the key to understanding others, the cornerstone of personal growth, and the beacon that illuminates your path towards self-improvement.